So hi guys, now I believe that we have some amazing valuable informations about people who can buy our product, which is food for cats. So let's go to business.facebook.com and choose Ad Manager. And then we're going to click Create. As you can see, the first thing that we need to create is the campaign. Then we're going to move to the ad set, and then we're going to move to the ad. In the campaign, it says campaign, choose your objective. So in the campaign, you have to choose your objective, like why you're creating this ad, why you want people to do whatever you want you're going to create. So there's three main objectives. The first one is awareness. If you want to increase, just to increase the awareness of your brand. It says that increase awareness of your brand by reaching people who are more likely to be interested in it. And the second one, it says that show your ad to the maximum number of people. This one is just to increase the awareness of whatever brand you have. So the second objective is considerations. And the first one is traffic. If you want just only to send traffic to your website, maybe these people, you're not going to do anything, only read an article or a magazine or see a picture or something in this website. It says send more people to a destination such as a website, app, or messenger. And the second one is engagement. It says get more engagement, like page likes, even responsive or offer claims. And the next one is app install. For example, if you have an app and you want to send people to download this app, get more people to install your app. The second one is video viewers, and if you have a video and you want to gain more viewers for this video, get more people to view your video content. So the next one is lead generation, and it says to drive more sales leads, just as email addresses from people interested in your brand or businesses. And the last one is messages, and get more. It says that if you want to get more people to send messages to your business in Messenger or WhatsApp. And the last one is conversion. So the conversion, if you have a website, like in our case, and you want to send people in this website and to do some specific action, like to buy and to enter their payment details and buy a product from us. And it says drive valuable actions to your website in your app or messenger. So the second one is catalog sales, like if you have a big catalog, create ads that automatically show items from your catalog based on your target audiences. And the last one, store traffic. If you have a physical real store in your city and you want to show your ads to people who are nearby in your city. So you can choose whatever you want, depends on your needs. I'm going to choose conversion. And campaign name, I'm going to name it test ads for cat food. And this one, leave it off, and this one, it should be on. The daily budget, I prefer the daily budget, not the lifetime budget, but you can choose whatever you prefer. The daily budget, and I prefer to choose $25 a day. So it's going to spend $25 a day. And in the end, when you're all done and all clear, all you have to do is click continue, and it's going to direct you to the ad set.